So we're taking a walk up to a bridge, you said?
Yeah, it's just a footpath.
It's just
quite nice.
It goes over the Lahave River and it's just a really nice picture.
Oh, lovely. Oh, I look forward to that.
Oh, I can't
Lobsters going for a walk.
They're taking their lobsters for a walk, aren't you, darlings? Taking your lobsters.
But she was too tired today.
Yeah, we're going today. Just a little.
There's deer.
That's poison ivy, right?
There's deer. There's deer down the trail. You've just looked deer.
Oh. Seen. I don't know if we caught them on film.
No. Oh, the apples. Isn't there apples there?
Yeah, there's that. Do you want to explain about
No, it's not dangerous to explain. It's just very toxic. So that's some.
So that's it.
Yep.
The nasty little poison ivy itself.
Yep,
So that's the one I avoid, or anything that looks like it.
Anything that looks like it, yeah.
Then you'd have to throw lobster away.
And it's got a big leaf and then the two little side leaves.
Yeah.
And the poem is leaves of three, beware of thee.
And what did you say about the identifiers that told you that it wasn't sarsaparilla?
Sarsaparilla usually forms in a pyramid.
All right.
And it usually has 5 leaves.
Okay.
But they look so similar that I wouldn't mess with either of them, just
Yeah.
in case you confuse them.
Yeah, you don't want to mess them about.
No,
Yeah.
it would be really easy to confuse them. Even people that know what poison ivy is, still wouldn't mess with them, just in case. Oh, wait, yeah, acorns.
Oh, acorns she's found. Show us.
Found some acorns.
Oh, wow.
The deer like them too.
I bet.
It was naughty deer. That's funny, dear.
Centennial Trail.
Definitely leaves of 3 is the predominant thing with it. Wow, look at this big oak. You've got no acorns.
Oh, look where she
Just can see the river, because you can get some footage of the river. It's really pretty.
Oh, wow, that's pretty. Looks like the river's quite busy as well, doesn't it? After the that's pretty magnificent. Strong smell of creosote.
It does.
Oh yeah, they've gone over the top of the rail. That demonstrates how this was constructed. So you see the old railway sleepers. And a box construction for the girders. See right down through there, see the river flowing beneath. It's pretty impressive actually. This is lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, this was bone dry a couple of days ago here.
So the path we've come down and are going back down now is the course of the old railroad track.
Yeah, they have more in the sauce. It's quite reasonable. We're just topping up this sugar syrup on our swarm hive, the little mini hive, because they were not doing so good, so I'm just giving them a bit of a helping hand.
I'll be alright back here, will I?
Oh, yeah.
He says nervously.
Yeah, very busy. They're bringing in lots of stuff.
Yeah.
If I stand this way a bit, there's going to be bees flying straight all over me. If you see the flight path is there.
Yeah.
So you probably want to stand a little bit more that way. There you go.
This way, to
Yeah,
get out the flight path.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks.
The old one. Roll it up with the hole. This is the old one. Empty, but full of bees.
Alright, okay.
I'll put it down here so we can all just get out and go to the hive and collect it afterwards.
Yeah.
And I'll be checking on these in about a week just to see how they're doing.
And this is your homemade sugar syrup, yeah?
Yes, yeah, just a one-to-one solution for this time of year. We use a different strength for different times of the year.
Yeah.
See, I'm in the flight path, see them hitting my hat?
Yeah. So I'll get about here, I think.
Yeah.
Magnificent little creatures, bees.
And if you stand to the side of the hive and you're very not intrusive, you can sort of see what they're bringing you in, the different pollens and stuff.
So you don't bother them, they don't bother you?
No, they're not bothered if you, as long as you're not dressed in black.
Yeah.
They see you as being a bear or something. If you come this way, you can come a little closer.
Oh, lovely.
If you stand about,
Oh, look at that.
you can see them all going in.
They're all arriving.
They're not going to attack you unless they've got a reason.
No, it's...
Different strains are more aggressive than others.
Yeah, the Adansonii, the African ones, they're aggressive, aren't they?
Yeah. These are Italian Carnivore, I think, or
Yeah.
something like that. Cross or something now. Do you want me to put it closer so you're gonna...
Yeah, if you can.
Oh, you've got a mic on.
Don't worry about that. Just go with the mic that's on it. I'll just unplug, boys and girls.
Okay. There you go. Busy little hive. And you see the different colour pollens they bring in from different things.
I just love that industry. I just love it. Isn't it amazing?
And you'll see the bees that are coming in and out. They're the ones who are just checking that they're the right bees coming in this hive. Because you don't want robbing bees that come to rob.
Wow.
So some of them's job is to guard the entrance. And that's why I have this reducer thing on. It sort of limits how many can go in and out.
So you get ninja bees that come in and try to steal.
Oh yeah, we've seen them stealing from each other. So they go back and forth.
Looking every inch the beekeeper is Lance.
Yeah, that's me. I didn't even have my hat on.
Yeah.
It wasn't even done up. Yeah, this is our swarm hive. That was we caught it and it seemed to be doing well. And
yeah.
It didn't seem to have a queen, so I re-queened it.
This one, yeah?
Yeah. And now I've fed them again. I'll have to go and check them a bit later on in the week, maybe.
Yeah.
See how they're doing. Look, there's some brood in there for babies. I'll come back and pick this up later.
Yeah.
And we have the electric fence because bears can smell honey from a long, long way away, and it's the best deterrent.
Is it? Yeah, keeps them out. Yeah.
So remember to put it back on.
I'm in the flight path again. Sorry. Apis mellifera, isn't it? The honeybee.
Yeah,
I think it is.
we're collecting some choke cherries.
Choke cherries.
And I just didn't put some more over here.
They grow. Oh look, they're hanging like red currants. Yeah, nice.
And Emma's getting some apples.
Oh,
Ow.
Careful there.
do you want me to take those off you, Em?
This is full of brambles in there.
Cute. I'll go and put them in the bag. Nice. Cat's joined us, of course, for the foray.
And it's called choke cherries because they make your mouth all dry from the tannins, and you go.
Yeah.
So like sour.
Yes. I'm good, thanks. But I don't want a dry mouth right now. Still more, Em?
It's not, it's just these.
Yeah. Yeah, all right. Some good apple there. Some good nutrition. And these are wild, untainted apples, of course.
Yes, yeah. There's usually a lot more on this tree, but
Yeah.
these apples down here would be fine to collect for bait.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah, they would.
There's my dog.
In fact, they are bait.
Yeah, they are.
Because I like choke cherries.
he does.
Hey, but my dog loves choke cherries.
There's apples up there if you had a big stick.
Done that before, dear. It didn't work out so good.
No,
the
stick,
ladder.
I said. See up there?
Yeah, you need a long. You need a.
Like the washing line.
What do they call it? One of them crops with on
We used to be made one years ago.
Yeah. The cat's joined us. This is great.
Mummy ain't on.
Grover's with us, look. Try and get him there. Aren't you, Grover?
Let's got the bike.
Oh, I just got caught by a couple of brambles in the thing.
Something better than
I
nothing.
want to pick some goldenrod as well.
Yes.
Goat cherries and apples. You going to carry those? Because I don't know if they've got some.
This is your goldenrod.
Have you got the scissors? I have the scissors.
That's goldenrod. Oh, isn't that
I've got
lovely?
the scissors next to where my pile of
That's that you passed me to taste earlier. It's really
Yeah.
tastes good as well.
Yeah, you can make good wine out of that.
Oh wow.
It's the bees' last
I've just
food before
distilled the
winter
whole.
too.
Yes. And it's wild growing, yeah? Just a
Yeah,
wild
yeah.
growing herb, yeah?
Oh yeah, it grows everywhere.
Yeah.
It's nice though.
Yeah, I see. It's everywhere around us, really. Yeah.
Bit of goldenrod.
There's a few wasps getting a bit angry around her.
Yeah, we'll head off now. We got something, haven't we?
Come on, darling. That's it. Come on.
I'll do eating that there.
Mommy also wants.
Just take a few. Yeah, nice.
Smells lovely.
It is. It's amazing.
Oh, it's got everything stuck in it.
Yeah.
Fire just flying out the thing. Yes, that fire in the thing's over. There's fire. Oh, there.
Where?
There's fire.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there it is.
It's flying. Is that a flyer? That's like a cricket that's like a moth.
Yeah, I don't like them. How's the marshmallows looking? Oh, one right on those. Is there any of these then?
Oh, such a great scent from those. I think the bees are having their meal on it.
The bees love it.
They do, don't they? The one's still in the sun. So we're back in the post-hurricane kitchen. We still don't have power, so we're working off this little gas thing. Emma, tell us what you're doing.
So I just got some brown rice. I did brown rice in the end.
Yeah.
Because I had more brown rice than
nice.
And just some fresh beans that we podded. I thought I'd throw them in here actually.
Oh,
just
those would be. Oh, you're lovely. Yeah.
Just a creamed kale.
Oh, they
beans.
look so good.
There's just some butter and some garlic in there
Yeah.
at the moment. Milk, flour. And then we'll throw some Parmesan cheese and some extra mature cheese in there just to finish off. We have
Wow.
a spider to go outside.
And a little spider that's got to find his way out.
Yeah, he
I don't
needs
know
to
if you
go
can
out.
see him, but it's going to be.
Just a little garden
There he is.
spider. He needs to go out.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was on the kale. Put him back on the kale.
Extra meat in the spider.
Yeah, we've eaten a few in our time, I'm sure.
I bet. That looks really good.
Up good.
Yeah, lovely. Those beans won't take too long to cook because they were pretty fresh.
They were very fresh. I'm just going to put a little bit more milk in that. Yeah. And then the fish is in there. I'll just get the fish. So here's the fish.
Oh.
So some white perch.
Yeah.
And Laura caught a little
Yeah.
ordinary perch.
Yeah.
So I just, it's soy sauce, some oil and some garlic, that's all that is.
Oh.
And then they'll just get cooked in the pan.
That's fantastic.
That will all be good.
Wonderful. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.